Viral ngayon ang nakaaantig na flight briefing ng isang piloto. Walang kamalay-malay ang mag-asawang Paul at Solly Bernardo na ang anak nilang si Genesis ang piloto ng sinasakyan nilang eroplano patungong Taiwan para sa isang family trip.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck. This is Genesis Bernardo, your captain speaking. And I would like to take this opportunity to welcome two very important persons in my life, Mr. Paul Bernardo and Miss Solly Bernardo, my dad and my mom. After so many years of flying the airline, I have always dreamed of having you on board as my passengers. I would like to thank you for loving me unconditionally as your son and for teaching me to do my best in everything that I do. I also thank you for inspiring me to never stop dreaming big and making me believe that everything is possible as long as you have faith. You are one of the biggest reasons why I'm here commanding a flight and flying this plane. It's truly an honor and my pleasure to have you on board. I'm so proud of you for bringing me where I am right now, and I hope I also make you proud. Cheers to the parents.
Ang pasasalamat na iyan ni Genesis sa kanyang mga magulang meron ng 1,800,000 views sa Facebook.